Hi, my name's Mark Streeter. I'm a motor vehicle lecturer here at East Sussex College Group in Eastbourne. As you can see from behind me, I'm in my normal environment. But over half term, I took part in a charity event. My background is ex-military, and I've become an avid supporter along with some of my friends who are also ex-military in a charity called Who Dares Cares. This charity was set up by two ex-members of the forces. One member, Callum, was in the King's Own Scottish Borderers, and another guy called Colin, who is ex-SAS. And they wanted to set up a charity designed to help look after veterans who suffer from PTSD. And through various charity events, we've raised in the region of about £7,000 so far for this particular charity. The event that I did took place over half term. It was a 50-mile walk. So a couple of years ago, before COVID, we did the first half of the Sussex Downs Way. So we walked from Eastbourne to Amberley, and we did that in a single hit. We left Friday night and we arrived at Amberley Saturday afternoon. We got back onto the trail and we did the other half. So on Friday we left Amberley at 4 o'clock and we arrived in Winchester at lunchtime, 12 o'clock on Saturday afternoon. So we did 50 miles, we walked all through the night, all through the rain, stopped for a couple of stops for food and to sort our feet out, but basically we just trudged the whole way through, did 50 miles in one hit. And so far we've raised £1,000 on that single event. So as I said, it's all about supporting Who Dares Cares. There is a link below if you'd like to follow to the Just Giving page, and any additional funds would be very welcomed.